hope my microphone is working well. Good morning, everyone. Today I will show you here some tips about preparing a long document for its translation with the CAT tools. What happens that the graphs and the table and the bibliography at the end can delay a lot the work with the CAT tools. So here, for example, this document has 18,000 words and 52 pages, and I will upload it on the CAT tools. So I can keep the note at the end of the page, but what we need to do is that when we have graphics like this one, it's better to translate them separately. We usually use an Excel file for this, and to just remove the document here. The complete graph needs to be removed. Usually we have to that way. Now for the tables, the numbers make us lose a lot of time on the CAT tool, so we remove them, and we keep, of course, the document. We save this one as a special, like a different document, like we save it as for translation doc RDC for trans, and you keep the original document. So we remove these graphs and numbers on the table, and then we can upload it. We remove also usually the bibliography, because we need to check if the book exists in the other language, if they mention books or other sources, document. If a document exists only in Spanish, then we keep the reference in Spanish. If it's bilingual, then we translate it, but we don't do that with the CAT tool. So it's better to remove the bibliography and to as well as the graph and the numbers, to add this in the end. So I will stop here the recording and try document here. And if you have also images or graphs that are not editable, you use the cutting tools and you add them in the final document once you have it out of your CAT tool. Okay, have a good afternoon, and see you soon this week.